2025 is a year of opportunities and change. Right now, right before our eyes, their financial world is changing. Those who believe in crypto and invest in right assets have a chance to become millionaires. But let's be honest, there will be another side. Those who miss this chance and lose. I say this with the confidence because I've been through it myself. In 2021, when I first entered in crypto, I saw my balance growing every day. It was an incredible time, traveling, expensive cars, freedom, but then the bear market started and I lost some of my incomes. This lesson taught me an important thing. Making money in crypto is important, but it's even more important to know how to exit the market and time to save your money. That's exactly what we are talking today. What waits you in this video? I will tell you about the current market situation, what indicators and factors are already shaping a new large-scale growth, perhaps the largest we have ever seen. I will share you with my strategy. How do I choose assets? How do I find the real diamonds that can give thousands of % growth? It's all going to happen. We will analyze specific coins, sectors and assets. I will tell you where I see the best entry points and most importantly, where to make a profit so as not to be left without anything from this market. And in the end, I will give you some practical tips that will help you to save money, change your mindset and become financially independent. Before I started, I have a request. Like this video. This is your advance payment for valuable information. Write in the comment what topic or your coin would you like to explore in the next video. And be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I share the latest analytics every day, publish signals and tell you what I'm buying and sell. This is your asset to relevant information that will help you to earn money. 2025 is your chance. Right now there is a struggle in the future and the decision is yours alone. Well, here we go. Let's look to main events that are currently affecting to the crypto market. The first is Donald Trump. He recently realized his crypto money and it was a real explosion. In one day, he raised about $10 billion, surprising almost all meme coin. Trump has shown his confidence in the future of the crypto. This step is not just a release token. This is a signal that he has entered the market for a long time and seriously now he wants to take all the advantages of this market and change its rules. The second important even in the departure of Harry Hensler, the main opponent of the crypto. These changes in the government of US will positively affect on the crypto for sure. In the near future, we may see the approvals of ETFs for such coins like Solana, Dogecoins and others. There will be allow millions of people to invest in crypto through the familiar tools such as stocks exchanges without using complex crypto platforms. USA is taking the first steps towards legalizing cryptocurrencies. The United States is one of the largest economic market and their move towards crypto is a huge plus for the entire industry. Now, let's talk about what happened next. Bitcoin is a fundamental asset that continues to be a realized tool for saving capital. I'm sure that in incoming years it can grow $2,000, but to really earn money, one Bitcoin is not enough. You need to be able to properly diversify your investments. Trends are clearly visible in the market right now. For example, coins from artificial intelligence sector. Many of them, such as virtuals, have already achieved thousands growth in just a couple months. This is a trend and that continues to gain more momentum. Or take the tokenization of social capital. The Trump coin is a prime example of how media popularity can literally raise the price of token several times in a day. What is important now? It's important not only understand trends, but also to be able to properly allocate capital. You need to invest not only in popular coins, but also in undervalued sectors that are just starting to gain momentum. Next, I will talk about 5 sectors that, in my opinion, have a great potential. Firstly, layer 1 in the blockchains with the world cryptocurrency is built on. Second, layer 2 solutions that are designed to improve the performances of blockchains. Third, real-world assets. I think you heard something about it. Next, AI and AI agents will also prove that they are very strong in this period of time. And the last sector is the meme coins. Everyone knows about them, but also they can give you an opportunity to gain a lot more money. And last but not least is GameFi, is a sector related to games and the metaverses. I have 3 to 5 coins of each sector in my portfolio. This allows me to diversify my funds. That's how it works. If one asset has grown strongly and the other has not, in average I still earn. That's is I'm not betting on just one project. Before we start discussions of project, I want to say one thing. I understand that both experienced and newbies are listening to me, and they all have the same problems. When I started in the crypto, everything was difficult. I had to learn every step myself without support, without proven strategies, and honestly, I was losing money before I started earning. That's why I created a private club, so that you can avoid the mistakes that I went through. In the club, you get access to my trading signals, which is I use myself detailed strategies for entering and exciting traders, so well analysis, trends, promises, coins. This is not just a chat. It's a place where you learn how to earn and work with crypto professionally. You will know how to find coins with 10,000x, how to analyze market and avoid those traps that ruin newcomers. And most importantly, I personally accompany the participants. Your questions will not remain unanswered, and your success will not remain without support. If you want to earn money in the crypto with me, just join us. The places in the club are limited. Let's move on the coin review. So first sector is layer 1 blockchains. This is the basis of the cryptocurrencies on which everything is based. There is almost impossible to reset, and therefore will be a good support for your portfolio. I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin in detail because you're already familiar with it. There are most important strategies for buying Bitcoin every month on the same price with the same amount of money, and you can find the average price for the long time. Of course, Ethereum remains my favorite, despite the fact that he has been showing the weaknesses movements in the recent months and does not seem that to be growing anymore. I do not continue to believe in him. There are many fundamental factors. This is an ETF, this is the applications in crypto world, and all of these factors will show the strongest of these assets in the future. But also want to tell you about, remember, case of XRP. How long had been he forgotten for everyone? And then it grew just in 3 to 5 times in just a couple of weeks. I think the same thing awaits the Ethereum. And now we can look closer to the coins which you can take in your portfolio. First one is Solana. It's one of the most powerful blockchains which stands out for the speed and low fees. The project has already established itself as an ideal platform for DeFi, NFTs, and especially for new meme coins that are being launched here. But what makes Solana even more attractive? Donald Trump chose the particular blockchain to issue his NFTs, which confirm its status as a strategic project in crypto world and for USA. This is not just an accident. Solana has become the main platform large-scale launches, attracting the attention of both investors and major players. Why I am investing in Solana now? After a difficult year in 2022, the project proved its resilience even despite the collapse of FTX. Today, Solana is growing the ecosystem, attracting a large amount of capital and gaining trust. And the participations of figures like Trump only strengthens her position. Next one is Aton. Is one of the most promising blockchains, which stands out of its speed, scalability, and support of Telegram. This project is already intelligent in the messenger ecosystems. Users can send the received TON directly in the chat via built-as wallets. This makes cryptocurrencies accessible to millions of people. TON attracts attention due to its low fees and high bandwidth, with an ideal for micropayments, DeFi, and NFTs. For example, popular collections are already being sold on the Ton Diamonds platform, and the Megation Finance DeFi platform has attracted more than 50 million of liquidity. Key investors such as Grayscale are started to pay attention to Ton, and the possibility approval of the ETF in the future could significantly accelerate the popularity of this blockchain. I think price for $5 it's a really good price for Ton, and everything which is higher than $7, $10, and maybe $15 to the cycle, it will be good opportunity to sell it and take your profit. Next one is AVAX. Avalanche is one of the most advanced blockchain which has already become a key platform for DeFi, GameFi, and NFTs. First of all, its speed and low fees. Avalanche processes thousands of transactions per second, making network fast and cheap. For example, the AVAX-based Trader Joe DeFi protocol has attracted billions of dollars in liquidity and has become one of the most popular DeFi platforms. Secondly, AVAX is actively developing the field of gaming. Remember the Carbada game, which is not became successful, but showed the Avalanche is ideal for launch a game project. For now, price of AVAX is around $35, but I think that we can make a pullback around $30 and it will be the good support zone. Maybe we will go to the around $15 and this will be amazing place for your next buying zone. Then we can sell it around like $50 to $45 is very strong line here, and then we can say it like for $100 it also will be good target for us on the growing market. Next one is Cardano or ADA is one of the most sustainable blockchain project which focused on the scientific approach and long-term developments. So let's start with the ecosystem. Cardano is actively developing in the field of DeFi, NFTs, and social projects. Popular applications such as SanduiSwap and MuesliSwap are already running on this platform, which have attracted tens of $millions for liquidity. Now about technology of ADA. ADA uses the unique Ouroboros consensus algorithm, which makes the network of this most energy efficient in the world. In an era when more and more attention is being paid for environmental friendliness, there is a great advantage for ADA. As for partnerships, Cardano is not far behind. For example, the project actively cooperates with the developing countries, helping to improve blockchain and solve their real problem. One of the striking example is the partnership with Ethiopia, where the Cardano blockchain is used to create a system of educational certificates. And mostly important, ADA remains an undervalued asset. In recent months, the project has been steadily developing, maintaining and high reputation among large investors. What we can say about the price of ADA? Right now it's above $1, and actually this is quite expensive last days. I think for ADA we also can make a pullback in the zone around $0.8, and ideal price will be for me it's around $0.4. Next one is a Rune. Thorchain or Rune is one of the most unique technological advanced blockchains in the crypto space. Its goal to unite different blockchain ecosystem and makes the exchanges of assets between them simple and decentralized. Let's start with the main thing, what makes Rune unique. Torchain allows users to exchange cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others directly among themselves without having to use centralized exchanges. This solves the problem of trust in intermediates and reduces risks. For example, you want to exchange your BTC for ETF. You usually go to an exchange, pay fees, and depend the exchange's rules. With Torchain, do this directly through their decentralized liquidity pool. Torchain has also recently added support for Dogecoin and has become one of the few platforms where Doge can be exchanged in decentralized. And of course, don't forget about the trends. In an era when decentralized is becoming increasingly important, Torchain occupies advantageous positions. The project solves real problems and it's the main indicator for the prospects. Right now, price is around $3 and we're on the really strong support lines. I think for now we can see the pullback in around zone like $2, $2.2, and this will be also the great opportunity for us to pay and receive good zone for buying this project. Next thing which I want to talk about with you is Hyperliquid. It's a new level of platform for professional trading. Its key advantages are speed, liquidity, and stability. Hyperliquid processes transactions in a fraction for a second, making it one of the fastest platforms on the market. Why it's important? On Hyperliquid, you can trade large volumes without slippage. For example, a 10 million deal recently completed there without significant price changing, with an indicator of deep liquidity. The platform also offers a user-friendly interface with integration of popular wallets and analysis tools. This makes it ideal for DeFi traders and large players. The project is also developing the blockchain and meme coins, which may attract a new audience. Hyperliquid is already collaborating with the Ethereum and Solana ecosystem, which expands the capabilities and attracts institutional investors. What we can say about Hype? For now, its price is around $22 and we are on the actually good support line. I think we still can make a small pullback in zone around around like $17. I think it's a good place to buy it, and then we can see our targets more than $30, which can bring you like 2x. Next project which I wanna talk with you about is SEI. SEI is a blockchain that changes the rules of the game in the field of DeFi and trading. Designed significantly high frequency financial transactions, SEI offers incredible speed, minimal fees, and unique features for traders and developers. What makes SEI unique? First of all, its speed. SEI processes transactions faster than most of blockchains, making it ideal for exchanges, market makers, and traders. For example, the average transaction confirmation time on SEI is less than 500 milliseconds. It's much faster than that of Ethereum or Solana. Secondly, SEI is built from the ground from decentralized financial applications. This means that the platform can easily integrate with the protocols for lending, liquidity, and other DeFi tools. Why is SEI important for the market? Today, DeFi is facing new challenges and high fees. SEI solves this problem by offering traders tools previously only available on centralized system. What we can say about SEI? We see that SEI right now is doing the pullback for the support zone. I think the really good place to buy it, it's around 28 cents. So from here I wanna to continue the growth. Of course, we can make a pullback down, for example 0.12 cents, but it's a really strong line. I think that on this market we will not see it. Next, about Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a layer 2, one of the most promising layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, which has already changed the rules of the game in the crypto ecosystem. Arbitrum is designed to scale Ethereum, providing high transaction speeds, low fees, and capability with existing smart contracts. Arbitrum allows transactions to be carried out 10 times faster and cheaper than Ethereum. So you see that this is really good work. What about prices? For now it's around 0.68 and we're on the good support zone, so I think from here we need to pull back to the targets like $1.07. It's a very good support zone and resistance zone. And then if the market will be really great, we can see it's going to $2.50, which give you around 4x's from here. So waiting. And the next sector which we are talking about is the RBA sector, and real world assets will bring blockchains and cryptocurrencies to real world assets, and this is for me will be the great opportunity to bring new people to the crypto market, and for sure it will grow a very long time. From here I want to talk with you about few projects which I really believe. First one is a CFG. It's Centrifuge, is a bridge between the real world cryptocurrencies, which changes the way we think about finance. CFG is a project from the real world assets sector, is allows tokenization real assets such as real estate, loans and royalties, and using them in decentralized finance. What we can see about price right now, we are really in the deep, guys, and from here I want to see some things that we will really grow from here. It's around 0.26 and our first targets will be 0.8 and then 1.7, and then on the bull market I believe we can go far more than 2.5. So next project here in real world assets is the Chainlink. It's a fundamental element for the operations of blockchain ecosystem, providing the link between the real world and the smart contract. Chainlink actively cooperates with the global corporations and blockchain project. The ecosystem already includes Google Cloud, Swift, and other giants. The support from the USA is also big. What we can see on the chart right now, price it's around $25, and for me it's quite expensive to buy from here. I want to see some pullback around price around $10. It's a really good support zone, and then around $12. Then we can see the really good targets is around $36, really big resistance, and also $45. Maybe we can go higher, we'll see, but this is our plan. So the next sector is AI agents and AI. Which project we can find in these sectors and which can give us good opportunity to invest. So first of all, it's a project NEAR. Is a protocol, is a new generation of blockchain that makes Web3 simple, fast and accessible. NEAR stands out for its speed, low fees and user convincement. This is not just another blockchain, but a platform that unites developers, users, and businesses into one powerful ecosystem. NEAR has been actively cooperating with NVIDIA in the topic of artificial intelligence and has shown strong growth in recent years. Let's take a look what we can see on the NEAR chart. For now, price is around $5, and this is actually a good price for NEAR. I think we have the good support zone in around $4. So if you want to buy from here, you can start from here. Support zone in around $2. So if we see in the near futures this price, for sure buy the dip, but because we're still on the growing market. And then where we can sell it, I think this is the $8 is a good price to sell first time. Then it's around $12, and then we can go higher than $50, so sell all on these prices. Next project is AI16Z. Maybe you hear about it. It's a new star in cryptocurrencies market that combines an artificial intelligence and the blockchain, creating incredible opportunities for investors and users. This project has already shown the potential, producing over 700 growth in recent weeks. But what makes AI16Z so unique? And why is everyone talking about it right now? Let's get this straight. First is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI16Z uses AI to analyze data and optimizes smart contracts, making the platform incredibly efficient. Example, AI16Z offers liquidity management solutions on decentralized exchange which has already attracted millions of dollars in investments in the protocols. Secondly, is a scalability. The platform is based on the blockchain, which provides high transaction speeds and low fees, making it accessible to wide amount of users. For example, AI16Z recently launched services for prediction market trends, which has become hit among traders. So where we can buy it? For now, we make a really huge pullback with the AI16Z. So I think that from now we need to go a bit higher, but we'll see what market will show to us. So for now, it's around $1, so we have potential for by 2x to $2, but not be fast, wait a bit. I think we can see this amount like $0.5 for the AI16Z, and from here you can buy the dip. Don't see at the charts and buy the dip. Next project is Virtuals. Virtuals is a revolutionary metaverse and virtual reality platform that unites users, businesses, and developers in the single ecosystem. Virtuals offers not just a unique experience of interacting in the metaverse, but tools for creating, managing, and monetizing digital assets. Let's look at why the project deserves attention. First is the flexibility of the platform. Virtual allows you to create the unique virtual worlds that can be used for businesses, entertainment, and learning. For example, recently a major retailer has created its own virtual store based on virtuals, where users can interact with the gods and the virtual reality format. Secondly is a blockchain-based economy. Virtuals use tokenization to monetize the content, allowing developers and users to earn money by creating virtual goods and services. Example, the creators of NFC at Virtual have already attracted thousands of users to selling digital art within metaverse. For now, we are in a good support zone, actually $2.05, but for now what I see in the chart, so that we still can go to the deep. I think that price is around $1.5. It's a good price. So the next prices, which targets we can see. So first target, the big pullback zone, is around $3 and $4. So when you see it, just sell it. Then we can go further, of course, to $6 to $8. But for now, wait a bit. We need to see how the price will change going. Okay. But still, I believe in virtual that someone in the US can say we make ETF for AI agents and going there. The last sector which I want to talk with you about is meme coins. At the moment we see a lot of meme coins and we have separate videos. Here I analyze this area and talk about it in details, but here I will say that for me this sector is a long-term one, and try to buy fundamental coins that can survive in the bear market. Such coins are Dogecoin is one of the first meme coins that will definitely develop, as Elon Musk is close to Trump and will be able to influence the market. Second one, the coin is Trump. I think we will see the hype of and pump of this coin more than once. However, I would not sit in this coin for a very long time. In a few months, the majority of tokens will enter the market after the unlocks, and it's not know what will happen after. So sell it when you see the good and big price. Next one is Pepe. The frog became a meme symbol and brought a lot of money to early investors while remaining fundamental. There are more memes that you can consider. I recommend you choosing the blockchain and finding the you will fly with the blockchain. For example, Sui, his meme coin Hippo, or Hyperliquid token Pure has a kit like a cat. There are also interesting memes which I have in my portfolio is a Mog, for example, or Ponke. And the last sector which I really want to see, we really want to talk about, is the gaming. The gaming sector is honestly at a deep bottom right now, and it looks like they had forgotten about him. However, 3 to 4 years ago, he had a great hopes. I believe that this sector will continue growing bull run, and we will be able to bring huge X from these coins. So which coins can we take into this position? Superverse is the revolutionary GameFi and NFT project that unites players, developers and content creators into the ecosystem. This project does not just offer entertaining games, but creates a platform where users can own, trade and earn their digital assets. What about price? For now, the beam make a really big pullback down. So now we see the actually good support zone. I think from now you can take the first price to buy it, but still don't forget that it can pull back really deep. So you need to have the second one, the second options to buy. Okay, don't buy on one moment for all of your money. Have the things if something will go deeper. Okay. What the targets? We have targets on the chart, so you can see it. It's a very huge target, so we can gain a lot of money. So be patient and just wait when it starts to grow. And last but not least is Sidus, one of the most exciting projects in this GameFi world, which combines blockchain, games and NFTs. This project does not just offer entertainment, but creates a full-fledged metaverse where players can earn and own their digital assets. Let's look at what makes Sidus unique and where you can buy it. For now, Sidus is a lot of tokens are on the dip, so these plays are really good to buy. For now, we can see that targets on the charts. So we have resistance zone, support zone is very good. We still can do the pullback. I don't want to see the projects like going here because it can show that we are really deep in this market. But I wanna from here in the next few months see the big growth and how the market is going. So don't hurry up, just waiting and buy this. And most of you will ask me where I can buy the crypto. It is simple. On the centralized exchanges that is convenient and intuitively way accessible for everyone, even for the beginner. I personally recommend proven platforms such as Bybit and BingX with which I work as an ambassador. There are exchanges provide reliable tools for buying, selling and trading cryptocurrencies, as well as user-friendly interface and low fees. And I often hear people say, I would have gone into the crypto, but I didn't make it in the right time. Guys, the crypto market always provides new opportunities, but only to those who are ready to act. If you had bought Bitcoin at the beginning of the year, you would have already made some % of growth. The question is, do you want to miss your chance again? Just register one of these exchanges, go through basic verification, and in a few minutes you will be able to buy your first cryptocurrency. Don't put all off until tomorrow what could be change your future today. So friends, the market continues to delight us with the movements, and the trends are becoming more and more obvious. We can see how key projects are gaining ground and new sectors such as AI, GameFi, array are opening the incredible opportunities for investors. But remember, in the crypto is important not only to catch the wave, but also to stay on it. Strong hands and comprehension strategy are what give you success in trading, okay? If you are still considering whatever to enter the market, now is the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. It is important to act, learn, try and analyze your results. And for those who want to follow this path with me and gain access to my signals, strategies and coin analysis, I have the private crypto club. This is a community where we earn money together, study trends and avoid mistakes. Details and access are provided in the description below the video. The crypto is not just about money. Remember, it's about how new technologies are changing the world and enabling each of us to be part of the future. Subscribe to this channel, leave the comment, share your thoughts and don't forget to stay tuned. See you in the next video.